Let's make strawberry soufflé today. It's creamy, soft, and super delicious. First, we need fresh strawberries for that natural fruity flavor.
Now strawberry jelly to make it soft and jiggly.
Let's add some fresh cream to make it rich and smooth. And Greek yogurt for a healthier creamy twist. A little coconut milk for extra creamy flavor.
And finally, natural honey for sweetness.
Now let's mix everything gently. Look at that creamy pink magic. Now we spoon it carefully and add some nuts.
Let's finish it with some crunchy nuts and a fresh strawberry on top. Perfect! Wow, that looks so creamy and delicious.
If you love easy, healthy desserts, subscribe now and cook with me.